students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshita Kale and today we will learn English. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Today's subject is English of standard first and the name of the song is Bow Wow. Dear students, this song is very interesting. You can see so many pictures of birds and animals on the screen, right? And you know the sound bow wow. Yes, very good. That is the sound of a dog. Yes, you are guessing properly. Now in this song, we are going to learn the sounds of different animals and birds. Okay, shall we proceed? 3.1 Bow Wow. Dear students, this is the page from your textbook. Here what we have to do? Listen, repeat and sing. Okay, we will go through this poem. You can see here dog, cat, hog, this is rat, this is owl, this is crow, this is duck and this is cuckoo. Okay, we will go through this poem and we will learn the sound of these animals and birds. Okay, we will start. Bow wow, says the dog. Meow meow, says the cat. Grunt grunt, says the hog. And squeak goes the rat. Too-hoo, says the owl. Cow cow, says the crow. Quack quack, says the duck. And what cuckoo say, you know? Okay, now we will go through each line. Okay, bow wow, says the dog. You know the sound of the dog, right? This is dog, it is barking. What it is doing? It is barking. What is the sound of this dog? When it barks, bow bow, isn't it? We write bow wow. Okay, the dog barks bow wow. Next, this cat, it says meow meow, right? You love this cat, isn't it? Next, this is hog, wild pig. Okay, what is the sound of wild pig or hog? That is grunt grunt. Okay, grunt grunt, says the hog. Next, squeak goes the rat. What is the sound of the rat? It makes squeak squeak like this. You know the sound, isn't it? You have heard the sound of the rat near your house, isn't it? Or in the surrounding, right? That it squeaks. Okay, next this is owl. It makes sound at night. How it makes the sound? Too-hoo, too-hoo, like this. It makes the sound. Okay, and this is crow, kowa, right? You know the crow and you have heard the sound of the crow. This is very familiar to us, isn't it? We can see so many crows near the school, near our house, isn't it? What they say? Cow, 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 isn't it? Next is duck. What it says? Duck says quack, 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 quack. Like this it says. Okay, what is the sound of cuckoo? Cuckoo means koel. Yes, you know. If you don't know, ask your mother or sister. Okay. What is the cuckoo sound? How it says? What is the sound you have to ask? Okay. This is all about this song bow wow. Got this, students? We will repeat once again. Bow wow says the dog. Meow meow says the cat. Grunt grunt says the hog. And squeak goes the rat. Too hoo says the owl. Cow cow says the crow. Quack quack says the duck. And what cuckoos say, you know? Try to find out the sound of the cuckoo. Okay? Now, dear students, we will move to the question answer part. Here, look and say. Here you can see 6 words. Dog, hog. See here, D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. H-O-G, hog. This is the sound, right? O sounds like O only, right? H means H, G means G, right? Dog, hog. This is C-A-T, cat, R-A-T, rat, right? And this is crow, C-R-O-W, crow. And this is K-N-O-W, no. Crow, no. Once again, dog, hog, cat, rat, crow, no. Okay? Next here, match the animals to their sounds. Now here animals names are there and here their sounds are written. Okay, here you can see dog, cat, hog, rat, owl, crow, duck. And here you can see grunt, grunt, quack, quack, bow, wow, meow, meow, cow, cow, squeak, to-hoo. Okay, now you know the animals and birds name too. And you know the sounds of the animals. Okay, sounds of these animals, isn't it? Because we just now gone through the song, right? Okay, we will try to match this. Dog. The sound of the dog is, yes, you are right, bow wow. Cat, very good, meow meow. Hog, right, grunt grunt. Nice answer. Next one, rat, squeaks, right? And owl, yes, choo-hoo. Crow, kawa, that is cow cow. Duck, yes, quack quack. Nice, very good. Yes, students, now we will try to sing the song bow wow. Okay?
Bow wow says the dog, meow meow says the cat, grunt grunt says the hog, and squeak goes the rat. Too hoo says the owl, cow cow says the crow, quack quack says the duck, and what cuckoos say, you know.
Yes, this is the song bow wow. Children, you too learn to sing this song. Okay? Now, we will move to the next chapter or the next lesson, that is Jungle Safari. Yes, jungle means, you know the meaning. Jungle means forest, right? This is also belongs to animal. So I have taken both the lessons together. Okay, jungle safari. Here we will make friendship with the animals and their names. Okay, see this. Look at the pictures for a minute. Close the book and tell the names of animals. This is one activity. It is there in your textbook. Okay, we will go through the pictures of a animal. Okay, now we will go through the names of these animals first. This is deer. This is an elephant. This is monkey. This is bear. This is an ant. This is a fly, house fly, makhi. Right? This is bee. This is a butterfly. Right? Some more animals are there. This is a camel. This is a tortoise. This is a snake. This is a peacock. This is a squirrel. This is a rabbit. This is a tiger. This is a lion, isn't it? Okay, remember these names. Okay, now we will move to the question answer part so that we can answer easily. Look at the pictures and answer. Spot the animals whose name ends with the sound I. The sound I is nothing but the sound of the I is E. Right? P-I-G. Pig. How we say? Pig means P-E-G. Pig. Right? Like that, the sound of I is E. Now what we have to spot here? Spot the animals whose name ends with the sound I. Means sound E here. Monkey. Right? Monkey. It ends with E. Right? We have to give importance to the sound, not the spelling. Okay? Next, the sound T. The name of the animal which ends with the sound T means toe. Elephant, right? Then toe. It is rabbit. It ends with the sound T. What is the sound of the T? That is toe. Got this? Next, the sound K. The name of the animal whose name ends with the sound K. Ko. Right? Here, snake. Ko. And peacock. Ko. Isn't it? Both have ko sound at the end. Next is B. Spot the animals whose name begins with the letter B. Here we have to search the name of the animal which begins with B, which starts with B. Okay. B for butterfly, right? B for bee. Yes, exactly. B for bee, B for butterfly, right? Next, which starts or begins with letter T. T for tortoise, T for tiger, right? We have seen these pictures before, right, in the textbook. Next is the letter S. Means spot the animals whose name begins with S. S for snake, right? And S for squirrel. Very good. These two animals, they have name begins with letter S. Next, spot the names of animals which end with the letter E. At the end we must have letter E. Yes, you are right, snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Correct. Next is tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. Both have E at the end of their name. Next, the letter T. T should be there at the end of the name of the animals. T. Here, elephant. T is at the end. Rabbit. Got this? Both these animals have T at the end of their names. Spot the names of animals which end with the letter Y. Y should be there at the end. Monkey. Yes, you are absolutely right. Fly. Housefly. F-L-Y. Correct. Butterfly. Y is at the end of the names of these insects and animal. Correct? Next, spot the given letters in the words and join all the letters you spot. Now here, example, lion, elephant, fly, camel. Okay, here we have to search for L. L, see here, lion, it has L at the beginning and here in the second place, and here to here again L is there, and from here to here. Got this, students? We can see L. We have spotted the letter L here, right? Now here we can see ant, rabbit, camel, snake. Correct? Again here we have to spot the letter A. Now here A is there, here A, here A, here A. Correct? We will put a line here. Yes, from here to here and here to here. Got this, students? Now in these four words we will find out or we will spot B letter. From here to here, here to here, here to here. Two B's are there here, right? Now we will move to E. Elephant. Two E's are there here. One we will take E, here E, then here, then here. Correct? Very easy, isn't it? Here we have to find or spot letter I. See this? Correct? Next, we will spot O. See this? Right? Good. You can make this in your textbook with the help of the pencil. Okay? Now, match the double letters with the given words. Here you can see double letters. That is RR, double R is there, double F, double E, double T. Isn't it? Here we can see giraffe, squirrel, butterfly, deer. Here also we can see double F, double R, double T, double E. Isn't it? It is very easy to match. We will start. Double R is in squirrel. Double F is in giraffe. Double E is in deer. And double T is in butterfly. Right? Good. Next. Here you can see some columns and some words are given. What to do here? Find the small words hidden in the big words. See these big words. This is a peacock, elephant, butterfly, rabbit, tortoise. Right? Now we have to find out the hidden words from these big words. I will do for peacock. I will try to take out the hidden words from the peacock and I will write here. Same you have to follow for these 4 words. And you can write the small hidden words here, okay, in these columns with the help of the pencil. Got this? Okay, we will start for peacock. See dear students, here this is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. How many letters are there? 7 letters are there, isn't it? We will use these 7 letters to make small words. First we will write P-E-A, P. Next C-O-C-K, cock. See, these small words must have meaning. Okay, anyhow we can't write. Got this? Next is C-A-P, cap. C is there, A is there and P is there. Okay, cap. Next P-A-C-K, pack. You know the meaning of pack, package, pack. Okay, next is O-A-K, oak. This is the name of the tree. For this students, like this, you have to make or you have to search for hidden small words from these big words. Here you can write ant, A-N-T, ant, H-E-N, hen, T-E-N, ten, correct? H-A-T, hat, like these small words you can make. Got this students? This is an activity for you people. Okay? Thank you students. We will meet in the next lesson.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.